The original one has, on the far end, way down there, is the, appears to be the original flex line. And down here on this end, it looks like this is an added piece. It's copper instead of steel like the original one. The actual fuel line looks to be in really solid shape, but you know, it's the fuel line, so I'm going to swap it out. Yeah, so the whoever did this did me a big favor and left all the fittings on there. They just used some adapters and stuff, and it looks pretty solid. I need to figure out from this point to here how that works, or if this is original. I don't know, let's have a look. So what I found online is not very conclusive, but we're gonna do what we can. I'm gonna start by straightening this out and see how much tube we have, and then go from there. Looks like we're gonna have just enough to make this piece, and then we don't have this one, but it's copper, so I'm thinking I'll just take it off, clean it up, and reuse it, because it won't be rusted inside. Have I ever told you how satisfying sandblasting is? This was like 2 minutes in the sandblaster and then some Scotch-Brite and it looks brand new. So yeah, that's going to attach on there. We'll bend this straight one to the same shape as that and see if we can get it installed. To get this started, we're going to tape them together just so the length doesn't, you know, keep shifting on me. We'll do this in a couple spots. Alright, now with that in place, we're able to bend this. We're just doing it by hand, slowly and steadily. There's no sharp enough corners to worry about kinking it. This one here, however, we are going to get the bender and bend it because it's pretty sharp. Just going to go in here like that, and then we'll use this to roll back this piece, and the profile that's in here will keep it from bending, kinking. All right. Yeah, so I wasn't terribly happy with the fuel line that I bought. So what happened is the connection that goes into the fuel tank was the wrong one. So I had to take it off the old one, clean it up, put it on. And then the connection that goes into the fuel pump was weird. So instead of one clean connection, I had to do several connections. The elbow that I have, you know, I bought, it was like 20 bucks or something insane. And it was, you know, supposed to be for, you know, BN1. But now it's in place, and hopefully it won't leak.